Hello. So, in this one, I'm going to talk about the case. I know I'm always talking about this case, but the case, is so heavy. And I'm talking about the corruption. I'm talking about all the things that nobody wants to talk about. So, I'm looking for an attorney, right? No attorney will take the case. I spoke to like 8, 10 attorneys, and they all say they once they know I'm suing the courthouse, they're like, I don't work against the courthouse. They're afraid to work again, like to go against the courthouse. Everyone is afraid. And I'm like, how is everyone afraid? Like, oh, they'll be like, oh, I'm gonna look into it. Oh, let me talk to my partners. So I'm thinking they're gonna say yes. Like somebody gonna say yes, and everybody says no. Nobody will take the case. Nobody will take the case because I'm still in the courthouse. So I'm like, nobody will do anything or work against the courthouse. I'm like, yo, this shit is bigger than it's bigger than me. They have control of the police. They have the control. They put fear in the attorneys so that the attorneys won't go against the courthouse. So it's like if you're suing a person, you should be able to sue them and not be afraid, but they're afraid to go against the courthouse. I'm like, why are they so afraid? It's just so clear. It's so fucking clear that it's mafia. It's something big. It's bigger than what they're putting it to be. So whatever information I have in that file, all the complaints, all the in-house things that's there is gonna hurt the people that are in the system. It's not gonna hurt the innocent people. It's gonna hurt the people that are in the system that failed to do their job because they're supposed to do their job and nobody ever did their job. They want things to time out so that it can't get processed because the time has lapsed and there's nothing else you can do. The time lapsed. I was an employee from 2006 to 2020. Okay, you was an employee, but I resigned. I'm not an employee now. I'm not suing for what had happened when I was employed, but that's my evidence. My evidence is all of the documents from when I was employed. What I'm suing for now is for my notary license was sabotaged by Teresa Torres. It was sabotaged. It was never received in the Department of State because Teresa Torres sabotaged it. I have the receipts. I have the official character card that I was expecting and I never got it because it was never brought to the Department of State. But who sabotaged it? Teresa Torres sabotaged it. I'm like, okay, and I'm not an employee, so I paid my own money for that. And I'm like, okay, I got my license. It's not the way I wanted, but I got it. I was like, okay. I didn't sue her when I renewed the license. And I'm applying for the job position in 2020, 2024, 2023. I applied for the Bronx County clerk position. My documents were sabotaged. This bitch, she sabotaged it. Teresa Torres sabotaged my documents. I'm like, why the fuck are you fucking with me? I don't work there. I do not work there. You don't have any right to sit there and just fuck with me and you think I'm not going to do anything. I do not work there. I can sue you now. When I was employed, I could not sue, because I work there. I don't work there. That's the whole thing. I don't work there. And then she's fucking with me. And then I'm not employed there. So the courthouse is not going to back me up. So I need an attorney. And then they're all afraid of the courthouse. I'm not suing for what had happened when I was employed. No, I'm suing for the bullshit that this woman still keeps doing to me even after I resigned. So it's like, wow, like she's still fucking with you and you don't even work there. And it's just like, wow, like the hate is real. The hate is real. And it's like, and then she always trying to portray, always trying to pretend. But it's like the complaints, all of the complaints that I filed while I was employed is in the court case file. Nobody helped me. They're all supposed to do their job. Nobody ever did their job. So I'm going to attorneys. Every single attorney told me no. Every single one of them. They all afraid. Everybody's scared. They scared to go against the courthouse. I'm like, yo, like how nobody know, how can no one know what the hell is going on? Like how can you not see this shit? It's like oh my god, like I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know what's gonna happen. And it's just like I give it to God. I'm like, God got me. God got me. Nobody got me. Nobody stood up for me. Nobody helped me. Nobody looked out for me. But everybody know what the fuck is going on. Everybody know. And nobody did anything. So attorneys know what's going on. And they're looking at this shit and they're like, oh my God, oh my God. Ah. But they don't wanna do anything. They don't wanna stand up for me. And I'm just like, what the fuck I'm gonna do? Give it to God. Like I'm gonna just give it to God. I been gave this to God. Like, oh my God. And I'm like, oh, maybe I need to get an attorney. But I tried to get an attorney from before, and I was having the same problem before. That's why I don't have an attorney. That's why I filed it as a pro se. Pro se is you don't have an attorney, that you're filing the documents by yourself. I filed everything by myself. I don't have to pay an attorney because by law, you have to pay the attorney 33.5%. I was trying to avoid that fucking fee because I don't want to pay them because I did the work. I did everything. I did the investigations. I did the complaints. The attorney didn't do nothing. The attorney didn't help me. I don't want to pay them. I don't want to pay 33.5% for a fucking person to represent me. And it's like I done did everything by myself. But it's the way the system is. It's like they're not gonna help you if you don't have an attorney. That's their stipulation. Oh, you can't sue the courthouse. But they're the ones doing all the fuck shit. The courthouse. Everyone in the courthouse is doing all the fuck shit and then you can't sue them. Why? Who made that rule? It's corruption. It's organized crime. It's a big deal. It's a big fucking deal. And it's just like, wow. Fucking wow. Like somebody gonna say yes. Somebody gonna say yes. Somebody gonna take the case. Somebody gonna say yes. Somebody gonna make my day and say yes. Like yes. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna take the case. I'll take this case. I'm gonna defend you. I'm gonna be there for you. I'm gonna support you. Yes. That's all I want. I want justice. All I want is justice. I want this shit to be resolved, you know. But I want somebody to defend me, to be there for me because I got all my shit together. It's like how the fuck you not gonna, It's because they all in on it, and then it's like, oh my god, like what the fuck I'm gonna do? I don't even know what to do. I'm like, I'm just so sick of this shit. Everything is fine. The turn ascenders are going. I cleanse, I remove the energy, everything is fine. Everything is fine. I didn't die. I didn't die. I'm still alive. I'm still talking shit. But it's just like, you gotta put two and two together. You gotta piece this shit together because everybody's in on it. Everybody is in on it. And it's just like, oh my God. And the attorneys are afraid. They're afraid. They're scared. They fucking scared to do anything. They're scared to represent me. And that's why I do it everything by myself. Because they're scared. And it's like you supposed to defend me. That's your job. But then they're scared. And it's like, yo, like what the fuck? I represent myself. It's fine. Pro se. Leave with love. Leave with love. Stay positive. Stay positive. Vibe high. And something's gonna happen. Something good is gonna happen. Somebody's gonna do their job. Maybe, right? Somebody's gonna do their job. Somebody gonna do their job today. Like, oh my god, like all this shit. And everybody's in on it. And it's like, oh my god, like how you won't get anything done and everybody's in on it. It's fucking crazy. Leave it up. Bye.